Audio Jungle.
Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel.
In this tutorial video, we require only the mirror panel.
From the control panel of the driver's seat, open the rear view mirror.
Step 1. Take out the damaged mirror.
To remove the panel glasses, we need to get hold on the edge of the mirror. From the bottom, we pull it outside and slide the damaged panel downward.
Step 2. Replace with the new mirror.
We have 2 hooks and 2 grabbers. The 2 hooks will go inside this hide and the grabbers will go inside this minus. That's how we replace the damaged panel with a new one. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.